I will create one bug, okay? We'll see. I'll delete the data completely and will make changes.
No, screen is not visible now.
Okay. I'll create bug and you will not understand completely. So I will create one bug. We'll see that issue when it will get fail. Here we have 25 records. I'm making them small case letters, okay? So now we will face the issue. While you are loading data or activating the data, we will face the issue. So how we will handle? So we'll see. Save it, save it, and we will load. Okay, even plant also, I will make it as a lowercase letters. Save, I'm loading it again. Go back. Okay, and I will execute. So now I will see lowercase letters. Now we need to create the scenario bug fix. Okay, we'll see. See, I can see lowercase letters for plant, customer, vendor. We'll try to load. Okay. Sometimes it will get fail. Sometimes it will not get fail also. Uh, but definitely it will fail in the DSO activation level. Okay, we'll see now. So I kept like no cancel request, do not track. Okay, in the DTP level, we'll see. When we loading the data with lowercase letters, so sometimes it will fail in the DTP level, but it will fail in the, so it is got success. It got success. Okay, now we'll go and we'll see it. Okay, what data is available here? First, we need to see, right? We got all material customer or not. So lowercase letters is there. No, I can see lowercase letters as well. Okay, C1, P1, P3. Now I will try to activate it. Okay, I'll try to activate it. So when we are activating, definitely data will fail. Why? Because let me activate it. Lowercase letters. So sometimes it will fail in the DTP level. Sometimes it will fail in the DSO activation level due to lowercase letters. Okay, we have a filter, I think exclude filter. That is the way we got only 13 records. Otherwise, we get 25. So here yellow color, right? Once it is request go away, that means successful. It is in red color, it's failed. So see here, clearly it is showing clearly. That means failed. So now I will refresh here. So now you can see here. Okay. Now data is not available for reporting. So the data load failed, right? Now go to content. The DSO activation get success only, it will be available in the active table. Otherwise, it will not move. Request is red. That is the way it is showing still neatable. So what we need to do in the real time? Go to in new tab. Okay, new tab. Go here. You can see right options. In the bottom level, we have these options. So what we need to do? Select all these options. Select all these options. Or else you can write one code as well. Instead of changing, I will change one record. We'll see. Also, I will write the code through a web code. If you're having one or two records, then we can do it. Okay. See here. I'll go here. I will change it. This is M13. Okay. And slash H. In the real time, we will do. Sometimes some people will have authorization. Some people don't have authorization. So when I click on this one, I will do changes here. Double click on code. So we need to click on code and go to edit mode. Type editor. Enter. Go to this one. Execute the F8. Continue F8. Then it will allow you. Okay, change it. M13. And here C13. And go to P13. P13. Now I'll just save it. So what message you got it? Invalid data. Okay, I will select the date as well. Okay, save. Okay, here also we need to select the correct date. I'm selecting it. Okay, now it is saved. Now you can see M13. See, still it is lowercase letter only. We need to refresh. Refresh. Now you can see M13 changed or not. M14 is lowercase letter. So in this way also we can do. But I will do through here. Okay. I'll go here. Okay. Here we have a DTP routine. Okay. We have a some filter. Let me remove that one and we'll write it that code. How to handle these scenarios. Go here and I'm deleting it. So I'm deleting. So I'm remove the filter from the DTP. Okay. So which field we are facing the issue? Now here I'll go change mode. Material also I'm facing it. So here I will keep the formula. Okay. I'm keeping the formula. And if you want to write code also you can write it. And now here option is there. Okay. You can go here to upper. Some function would be there, built-in function. Where is the upper? Is there any upper? To upper. Yes. So here we need to select our material so that it will allow you. Okay. Automatically system will convert it uppercase. No need to do every time manually. This is done. And what about customer? Customer also I will do it. Okay. Formula. What is the option? To upper right. If you know function, directly you can find it and select double click and within the bracket we need to select this option. This is the field. Click check and there is no issue. Syntax is correct. So like this you need to do in the real time, okay? One of the rule type we are doing it. Rare. And one more thing, plant. Select the formula. You are familiar, right? Now formula. Select this option, go to upper. You can try with different functionality here, different functions as well, not only this one. So if you talk about this all options, it will take a lot of time and activate it. While loading will not get issue. While you are activating, then only we are facing issue. While you are activating then only we are facing the issue. Okay, go back. Now let me delete from this here, delete the data, and you can load it. So now I'm getting 25 records for every request. Here, why we are getting this many times? 25 records or 25 times, 5 requests are available in the PSA level. Now activate it. Where is the option? Activate it. Once you activate, what will happen? Whatever we have data in the new table, the data will move to active table, change log label parallelly, and the data deletes from the new table. So now we should not face that issue. Okay. You can try that this option as well. So okay, it's getting fail still. What is the issue? We'll see. So what is the issue? We'll see. Okay. Refresh might be some date issue, something. This is the activation log. We need to go here and check it, expand the activation, check the SIDs and expand this one. Expand this one. Expand this data packet and you can see data. Date is having issue. So date is having issue. Okay. We change rate while we are doing the changes. This date is having some issue. Okay, we'll do that changes. 25, 13, 01. That means 13 month is there. No, we don't have 13 month. Okay, that will change it. Go here. I will change here only. Okay, go to new data and I will modify from here. What is this? M13, right? M13 having issue. Let me keep filter only M13. Okay, here, what is the 13? Here only. This record is changed, na? 13 month is not there, okay? We need to make it as a 2. Okay, I will make them 4 records. I'll change them. Okay. /h and again enter. So double click on code, go to edit mode, edit, enter, click on F8. So you can go here. Okay, M13. We need to change only date by. Okay, click 09 and here also I will keep 09 and save it. Okay, saved it. Go back. Now we are saved it. Refresh it, go back and we'll try now. Okay, we'll try to do activation. No need to drop the data. Select here, again do the activation. Click activate. Okay, now select this option and start it. We just corrected the data in the new table. We corrected the data in the new table. Again it is fail. Why it is fail? We'll see. Again it is fail. Some other issue. Go to activation. Again 13 is there. Other one. Okay. Let me see other option. Still 13 is there, huh?
ఆ
20.
M30లో ఇంకో
Yes,
వాల్యూ ఉందన్న
ma'am.
కింద
ఒక
13.
వాల్యూ ఉంటుంది.
Okay. Go back and we'll see. Where is? Okay. We selected only one record only. Okay. Okay. Sorry. Okay, now go to display. Okay, we changed only one record. Okay, I selected multiple records, but I didn't change it to multiple. Okay, got it. So now click on good observation. Click edit and edit. Real time it will help you this ABAP tricks. Okay, if you having 5 to 10 records, then you can do it. Otherwise, okay, now I'm saving and click on this option. It will go to next record. Okay, again I'm doing it. So at one time we will do 10 records also like this. Select all the records and save it. Every time, every record we need to save and go to other record. Okay, this is the last record. That is the way I don't see this symbol. Next record symbol. Okay, now at one time we changed it, 3 records, save it. So now go back and refresh it. Now we changed all. So which record you want to say change it? You can select all. If you want to change 5 records, you can select this one. Then we'll get their option. Okay, go back and go to request and select the request and click on activate. Now it will be 100% success. So we need to create the issue in the system level. Sometimes we'll get it, sometimes we'll not get the issue. Refresh. Once a request will not appear, that means successful. Still request with the red, then there is some issue. Still having some issue. We'll see. What is the issue? What is the issue? Go back. What is the 329? 32. This is 35. So we need to select last option. Still, what is the issue? Now we can see 14 as well. So we are getting 14 as well. Okay, many records are there like this. Okay, not only 13, 14 is there, and you can see third bracket. So okay, many options are there. Let me go back and we'll see it. Or else we can change in the file level as well. I will do one thing. I'll keep only one request here. Go here. I'll keep only latest request and I will change the dates. Or else, or else we'll delete this one and we'll change the file as well. Go to TDDSO file. We can change the dates here. Where is the 14? 13. Yeah, here I will keep it. 11, 12, fine. I'm saving. Okay, okay, close this one. Now I will delete this as well. I'll delete this as well. In the source file, we have lowercase letters. Again, I will load it. Because one record, 2 records, we can modify through ABAP routine. Even 100 records also, but it will take a lot of time. And we'll see. So we got 25 records and we'll see. The date proper would be there or not, we'll see. DTP, see, even bad data also, sometimes DTP will process the data. It will not throw any error. It's not throwing any error. No. Oh, two requests came again. Why two request? Let me delete here. Old request still there. It will throw error again. Okay, here I will go manage. It should be available only one. Okay, this request throwing error. Okay, delete the request. Go back. Now we will execute the DTP. Double click and you can execute it. So in this real time, we have to load like this. Okay. So you can check it. We need to identify the data immediately, why it is getting failed. So that awareness should be aware. Otherwise, tensions will start. We need at least we need to identify why data load failed. Okay. Yeah, see now there is no issue. You can see in the PS level still lowercase letters. You can see in the PS level still lowercase letters. How we will see? Go here, go to manage and click OK. Select 25 records, go to PSA. Now I can see still lowercase letters only. See, lowercase letters only. But I'm not getting fail. Why? Because we written code, na? We written formula. So now you can see in the DSO level, go to manage and go to content. You can see the active table. It is converted or not. So it is already connected because you written the formula, right? You written the formula, material and plant. It is converting automatically system. So this is only one-time activity. In the future, whenever they load as a lowercase letters, it will automatically handle it. So in this way, we need to handle the data. Okay. So like this, sometimes, okay, in the DTP level, like if any data is comes, okay, we'll see while you are loading data, if we are facing any issue, I will create scenario, okay, on Monday, go to update. So in the update table level, so if you are facing any issue, okay, first request, we don't know why it is failed. Now we saw, right, SID issue failed B to date. Sometimes it is failed M1, C1, P1. So that we will identify by using this option. Okay. But SID generation issue, but DTP is not failed. Okay. So when you keep third option, so the request will be read, but records valid records it will admit to the DSO. Okay. Whatever we have bad records, it will sit in the error stack. So the fourth request, you can select this option. All request will process to the target, and error request we need to go PSA and we need to go error stack and modify it. Okay. I will show you this. Okay, we'll create the error records and we need to handle it. Okay, and this execute option. If you want to create error DTP, you can create it. Click create. So and edit mode and activate it. So this is the way we will create the active error DTP. Now if you go back, now if you go back, it will be like no, not create DTP. So display error DTP. That means already somebody created. For example, you join in one project. Okay, error DTP is already created or not? How you will identify? So based on this option only. Display error DTP means already somebody created. Create error DTP means we need to create it. Okay. And execute option, nothing will be there. And this parallel, every time we need to execute this option. If we select second option, if we write any code, then we will go to debug mode. How will it will go debug mode? For example, we filter the data. Example, I will write the code here. What code I will write here? I will go to start routine. I will go to start routine and or else I will write it. Or else I will write end routine. Okay. Before going to end routine, what I will do, this is mapping, right? From amount and quantity mapping. So what I will do, I'll remove this mapping. So we already written code, right? End routine, file routine. We already written code. What code we written? I want to debug this one. I want to debug this code. How you will debug it? Go back, and okay, and okay, go back. Just to open the transformation, just to open the transformation, go to extras, display generated program, control F, search for our code, search for our code. Where it is our code? See here, execute. Okay, where exactly we written code? So execute. I'm searching based on the result only. Somewhere we written logic. Okay, this one? No, not this one. This one. Here we written the code. Okay. So now I will place the breakpoint here. Okay. Example, I will select this method and I will go to the external mapping. So then I will select. So like this, we need to place the breakpoint. Otherwise, when we go debug mode, it will not it will not go to the debug screen. So now I'm selecting this debugging option. Okay, select export mode, click simulate. So real time, whatever we written code that is working or not, we need to debug it. Or whatever we written code, you assume like it is working, but manager will not approve. We need to take the screenshot proper way, and then it is working. So what is the user? When it will run the field bulletin? Okay, I can say like no start routine will execute before the transformation. We need to select before the transformation. How about field bulletin? Field bulletin will execute in the rule type only. So let me execute this one. Select this option and select execute. Sorry. Okay. And execute. So now it will go, it is going to debug mode. So here go to F5 and F8 will go to our code. So directly it is came our code. Okay, currently the symbol see here, this option in the inner side yellow color is there. Okay, now present in the system. Okay, what is the value of result? Result means total. So we are going to, what is the amount of, what is the amount quantity? So you can see amount is 1000, quantity is 10. So when we do the multiplication, how much it will come? See, F5. So it is not calculating. Now, see, the yellow color came to second line. So now we are going to execute 1478 line, F5. See, now you can see how much value it is came. So exactly it is working or not. So this is the way we'll come to know for debugging mode. And click F5. Okay, now again I need to go, field level written will execute record by record. Okay, now again I need to click on F8. It will go to next record. Last time 10, right? 10 and 1000. Now 2000 into 20. Now click OK, F5. Now F5. How much value? Now I need to execute again F8. See now how much values? 3030 record. That means third record, right? You are into third record. And I again execute. Again execute. How much value? 3000 into 30. And again I executing F8. It is going to fourth record. Correct, na? In the file level, what is the fourth record? Are you getting me? Field level routine executing record by record. So we are into fourth record. What is the value of fourth record? What is the value of fourth record? 4040. Okay. Are clear, right?
Yeah, okay, no.
Yeah, yeah, okay. So now I need to execute F8. Again, it is going execute. Okay. So field level routine executing record by record. Start routine will execute packet by packet. End routine will execute packet by packet. So if you click on F5, then you can see like this. We have to debug it. Okay. For field level routine. So and again if you go so I'm click on F8. I'm clicking on F8. Okay. Now you can see records are showing. Okay. So you can see changing values are changing, but I'm not checking result. Okay. So now you can see F8, 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 F8. You can see it is going. Okay. Total how many records? 25, right? I will go to 25th record directly. Okay. This is the last record. We'll see. Now once I execute, so now it is going to, so once I execute F8, so now it will not go again. Okay. So 25 records are completed. That is after that we came out. So why it is updated zero records? Update means it has to update to the target. Why it is not updating records? It is updated zero records. Why? We are into debug mode. In the production also it will not update. We are into serial in debug process. Okay. Are you getting this difference both of two? When you select this processing, then only it will update to the target. When you select this debugging option, it will not update to the target. What is our target? 17. Okay, if I execute this one, it will update to the target. Okay, clear this point. So now if you refresh, now you can see the records here. That means it is updating. It is updating to target. It is updating to target. So here you can see update. What is update? 25 records. When you go to debug mode, it will not update. Okay. That means you can debug in the production also. So we need to know functionality, how it is working. My data load. Whenever it is failing, why it is failing, where it is failing, how it is working as expected business are done. We will deeply debug through ABAP code. So like this way. Okay, if we go here, I didn't select X mode. Still it will go here. That is not mandatory. Expert mode. Okay, now you can go F1. So again I'm coming to first record. Now go to here. Same procedure F8, F8. Go F5. So this is the way we can do. So it will not update. Okay. And what I will do, I will remove this button and directly I will execute it. Directly I will execute. Okay. Directly it will execute. It will come out of our code. Okay. So we are came out of the code. So it will not update records because of we are into debug mode. Okay. Debugging mode. Okay. Understood, right? These options. Go to this option. Okay. Parallel extraction and processing. So it will update to the target. When you go for debug mode, when you are trying to debug the any routine, start routine, end routine, field routine, we need to go debugging process mode. Clear, right? Okay. Okay, I will create some scenarios and we'll see that code as well. Okay, whenever it is fail, so how we will fix it. I will show you the error handling concept. So we are going to other concept and we will load the data. We'll face some issues. That time I will handle that error handling as well. Okay, this is how it will work. Okay, update tab and execute tab. And we need to cover this option as well. When you select the update delta update, okay, you can go to edit mode. So we cannot select. Okay, select option. What will happen when you select this option? What will happen? Okay, I will select this one. only get delta once. It will update only one request. Or else you can select, okay, only get delta once. Okay, I will load it. If you load, what will happen? Very first time, already it is updated. So it will not update the records. Okay, these options. Okay, so when we have multiple records, we'll see. Okay, we'll see on Monday. If you have any doubts, just send a message to me. We'll see. Do the practical daily, otherwise, difficult to get the job. Okay, bye.